Today, we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 810 indicators, with 328 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 21 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. All right. So today we are looking at a 15-minute day trading strategy. In the source video that this came from, said that it is the best day trading or the best trading strategy that they had used, and that it can be used on basically any time frame and on any market, and that the strategy just worked. That it worked well, and it just worked. And so it consists of 3 different indicators. First of all, we have a standard exponential moving average. It is set to a 200 period, and I turned the line red and I bumped up the line weight of its sum, and you can see it here on screen there. The second indicator that we have is a RSI divergence indicator right here, and so it is the excuse me, let's see, the RSI divergence indicator right here by Mohani, I believe it is. That is the one that you're going to put on screen here, and that is left to its default setting. I did go in and change the middle line right here. The middle line, I changed it to a solid black, and I bumped up the line weight of it some so that way we can see it a little bit better. Now, as you can probably guess, the 200 moving average is for our overall trend direction. So when price is above the EMA, then we are looking for long trades. This particular strategy only took long trades. It didn't take any short trades. So we're looking for price to be above the EMA. The RSI here, we're going to use it as more of a momentum indicator than we are an overbought, oversold reversal style indicator. And so what we are looking for is we are looking for the RSI to be above the 50 line. So above the 50 line and above the EMA. Lastly, we are looking for momentum candles. And so what we are looking for is going to be engulfing candles. So if we go here and we start looking for the engulfing candles, it is going to be the engulfing candles indicator here, the first one by R. Munoz, maybe said that incorrectly. Nonetheless, that is the one that we have on screen here. And I did go in and I turned off all the red triangles here because those are short engulfing or bearish engulfing candles. We're only looking for the bullish engulfing candles that are now on screen and marked by the green arrow. So what do we have? We have the EMA, we have the RSI, we have the engulfing candle. So when price is above the EMA and the RSI is above the 50, and then we get a green arrow, then we are going to take a long position. Of course, you want to wait for the candle to close on this engulfing indicator because it can and will change as price is moving, and by the time it closes it may not be an engulfing candle. So we get the green arrow here. We have the price above the red EMA, and price or the RSI is above the 50 line. And again, we take a long position. So what we're going to do is mark our long position here. Now we're going to set our stop 2 times the length of the candle. So in this particular case, the candle is right at about 8 pips. So we're going to set our stop at 16 pips. Right about in that area there. And then we're going to target a 2-to-1 risk reward. So 2-to-1 right there. And you can see that we get a nice push to the upside here. And that does come up and hit our take profit. And so that is the strategy there. That's how we tested it. Again, in the original video, they said that they had also tested it. They weren't very clear on what market they tested it on, but again, in the video, they said it works on any market and on any time frame, and that it just works and is a great strategy. So, all right, what we're going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the trades that we did, the testing trades, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve. All right, so before we take a look at what it was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It's free to join. You're welcome to join, take part of the conversations, and most of these channels, like I said, are free, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone. For example, this is Sasquatch here. He's one of our members. Is an awesome Forex prop trader, posting charts like this on a regular basis where he's doing analysis of the Forex market, marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and even sometimes where he's looking to take a trade. This particular case, he's just kind of posted a couple of charts saying that he was keeping an eye on that particular pair at those levels. Some of our other members here that are also posting their Forex analysis with charts, posting links to really great videos and information sources that we find interesting. And again, more charts like this. Our admin Jay has recently got back into the Forex market as well, posting charts with Forex analysis, market analysis, And he is, I believe, also still doing futures trading. And so as you scroll back here, you can see it's just a great environment. Everybody helping everybody out, everybody motivating each other and answering each other's questions, and just kind of helping everybody along to be the best that they can be. So I highly recommend that you join us here. Wonderful stuff happening. All right, back to our indicator here. Back to our indicator. Let's see here. So, or our strategy, I guess I should say. Let's see. Let's scroll back here. All right. So, I actually ended the test at 40 trades, and I ended the test at 40 trades because it just wasn't doing good. Unfortunately, we at 40 trade had 13 winning trades and we had 27 losing trades. And so there was no way this indicator was going to catch back up to be able to become a winner, even if we were to, well, I guess if we would have taken all winning trades on the last 10, then it is possible we could have gotten ourselves into an okay position. But as it stands, this indicator wasn't doing too great. And so, like I said, you can see that it had taken 13 wins at this point. And so let's say we were, let's say that we were risking $100 per trade in this particular case. Then our wins would have been $200. And so at $200 times the 13, we're looking at about $2,600, or we are looking at $2,600 in total gains. And then you can see that obviously we took 27 losing trades. And so that particular case, we would have been down altogether $100 after the 40 trade test. And it didn't seem like it was getting any better. It didn't seem like there were instances where it did really, really well and then did, kind of had an area where it did really bad. It just kind of was just not doing good all along. And that usually is an indication that the strategy just isn't going to work. Now, it's possible that maybe it would work on a different time frame or on a different market. I tested it on the Forex market just because that, again, there was no clear indication on which market to test it in the original video. And so I just do it on the Forex market because the video said that it works on any market and any time frame. So I didn't think that it would be too crucial to find the exact market. Now, the time frame was the one that they used in the video, which was the 15-minute time frame, and they claimed that it worked really well. So obviously you can see didn't work out so well in this particular case. Might play around with it a little bit more. I feel like it has the potential to be better. Maybe crypto market is a tad bit more set for this type of a strategy. So maybe throw it on the crypto market and see what it can do. I'll play around with it in my spare time as well. And if I can find something that works out better, or a different market or time frame, I'll throw it in the Patreon only channel for the patrons to take advantage of that and play around with it and see what they can get. So that's it for this strategy. We're going to call it here, and we'll move on to the next video from here.